Hi, I'm Julian. Today I want to show you what great results you can get with just only using the Krotos starter library, which is an all-rounder containing 10.5 gigabytes of nearly 4,000 professional and royalty-free sound effects. Especially when you need to have some quick and great sounding results. This library is for you because those sound files have been very well produced and hardly need any editing or tweaking. In the following videos, I created some examples by using some stock footage. So let's see what the starter library can do. So for this scenario of the fencing, I dived into the Foley folder to search for Foley movements that come close to the kind of movements that we see. I combined sounds like backpack movements, leather jacket movements, pants bags, but also some sounds from the surface folder to support the movements even more. For the second half, the fencing part, of course, there have to be all kinds of whooshes, like airy whistles, twips, and some spells. Also, I've added some carpet boots, which sounded best to me in this situation. So, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. If you are a sound designer in the making or want to expand your collection, the Krotos starter library is definitely something to get. And now let's see the video again with some added music at the end. I have to admit that the music is not included in the library as it was done by me.